Good morning, 4th grade. Today we are learning in math capacity, liter and milliliter. It's May 1st, 2020, page 267 to 68. Before I teach you capacity, I just want to review some renaming fractions. So let's look at the whiteboard saying review renaming an improper fraction as mixed number. 6/4, you will rename it 1/2/4. 10/4 is an improper fraction. You would rename it 2/4. Now, how did I get 2/4? Let's look at the next problem. 5/3, that's an improper fraction. The middle line is called the division bar. That means 5 divided by 3. If 3 goes in 5 one time, so 1 remainder 2. So you will write 1/2/3. 7/3 is an improper fraction. Another way you can look at it is how many 3's are there in 7? 2 groups. So 2 wholes and 7 minus 6, because 2 wholes means 3 plus 3, right? So 7 minus 6 is 1/3. So 2 wholes and 1/3. So just a little on the sidebar, just knowing how to review renaming an improper fraction into mixed numbers. Okay, so we go on to today's. Look at this balloon, a water-filled balloon. If you were in class, we would have filled the balloon with water, and we would have a balloon that holds 1 liter of water. Now, what is 1 liter? 1 liter is the standard unit for capacity. So what does capacity means? Capacity, ability to hold, or amount a container will hold. So liquids we hold in a container. So 1 liter is a standard unit for holding any liquid stuff, liquids. It's liter. And let's put that water balloon into, if I place the balloon in a square box, what is the capacity of the balloon when it is in a square box? The capacity still will be 1 liter. It doesn't change because it's in the balloon. Now I put that balloon inside what is the capacity of the balloon when it's in a round shape? Maybe I put it inside another balloon. How much will be the capacity of that water-filled balloon? It still will be 1 liter. So let's look at the question. Think about it. 1 liter of water inside a balloon doesn't change the capacity if it's in a square box or it's in a circular shaped box. So does the shape of the balloon change its capacity? No. How much water it holds? It's still the same. Now I put a metric measurements capacity chart in front, and I showed on this side 1 liter is the beaker, and this is the beaker, and it holds rice water in it, so it's a liquid. So there is a mark up here and it shows 1 liter. So the beaker holds 1 liter. Now look at this bathtub. It holds 150 liters. Look at this soda bottle, soft drink. It holds 2 liters. Look at this water bottle. It holds 1 liter. Let's look at this medicine dropper. It holds 1 milliliter. So all these different containers have different shapes, and it holds a different standard unit in it. Let me go to my question. What container has the capacity of 1 liter? If you remember, what container? It will be the beaker and the water bottle, because it says 1 liter and 1 liter. What happens if a student pours the rice water from the beaker into a 2-liter bottle? Think about it. It will only go halfway. It will only fill halfway, because 1 liter is smaller than 2 liters, right? Okay, what items are measured in liters? Think about it. What items can you measure inside these containers? Well, you may say, Ms. Green, I could do soft drinks or tea or juice and other things. You can think of other liquid things. You can milkshake, any juices. Think about it. I'm sure you can fill up the blanks. What are some liquid things? Maybe a punch, strawberry punch, or a berry punch, those red punches that you make at birthday parties. Now look at the medicine dropper. So I want you to look at the medicine dropper here. That's the medicine dropper, milliliters. Also look at the cup, the beaker. They are divided into smaller units. You see they have 1 liter mark on the top, but then they have 100 milliliter, and then it has, let's go, I think I can't see, it becomes blurred. But if I look, it's the first one is 200. Where is the beaker gone? Okay, here. The first one is 200, and the next one is 400 milliliter. Then it's 600. Then it's 800, and then it's 1,000. Okay, how many millimeters equal 1 liter? 1 liter is equal to 1,000 milliliters. Milli means 1,000. What items might be measured in millimeter? Medicine, or a glass of juice, or a small tube of lotion, a container of mouthwash. That reminds, did we brush our teeth this morning after we got up? Well, then you must have used toothpaste. That's also in a liquid form, right? Okay, let's go on to the next. It says the abbreviation for liter is L, capital L. Milliliter, lowercase m, and a capital L. That's how you show the millimeters. A bottle of glue, milliliter. Washing your car, the water you use would be liters. A juice box would be milliliters. Liquid medicine would be milliliters. Okay, and I'm sure you can think of other items that you have that you will measure in milliliters. The smaller the container, the smaller unit. The larger the container, bigger the unit, or greater the unit. Let's look at this. 5 gallons. I tried to draw 5 gallons. So there is 1 gallon, 2 gallon, 3 gallon, 4 gallon, 5 gallon. Now I put a number line. Tell me 1 gallon, you will measure, what things will you measure in 1 gallon? Milk, juice, oil, petroleum, or soft drinks, and other things, maybe fruit punch. Going on to number 2, the same thing. You can have 2 gallons of milk, and you can buy 2 gallons of juice. If you go to Costco, you might. Oil, yeah, we fill up more than 2 liters of gas in our car. Petroleum is the gas. Okay, number 3, you can have 3 gallons of milk. You don't want to go to the grocery store all the time, maybe. Juice, you may buy 3 gallons of juice. Oil, cooking oil, or other salad oil. If you have a big party, you might end up buying 3 gallons, or I don't know. You got to fry French fries. I'm sure all the fast food may buy more gallons of oil. okay, and fruit punch. Maybe you may add more things. 4 gallons, the same thing: milk, juice, oil, petroleum, fruit punch. 5 gallons, you can still have milk, juice, oil, petroleum, fruit punch, water. We forgot water. We can have a big container of 5 gallons of water too. Maybe smoothies if you're having a big party. Okay, let's look at a story problem. It says Katie needs 6 liters of punch for the party. The recipe she has makes 3000 ml of the punch. What should Katie do to have enough? Well, she has to think 3000 ml is equal to 3 liters, and she needs 6 liters. So will she use one recipe or 2 recipe? Means 2 packets. Yeah, she will use 2 packets. She will have to double the recipe. Then now she will have 6 liters. That will be equal to 6000 ml. So you may use 2 packets, answer double the recipe, and use this teaching video to help change larger units to smaller units. So 3 liters is equal to how many mLs? We just did it. 3 liters is equal to 3000 mLs. 1 liter, and how did I come to that? 1 liter is equal to 1000 mLs. 2 liter will be 2000 mLs. 3 liter will be 3000 ml. 4 liter will be 4000 mLs. 5 liters will be 5000 mLs. 6 liter will be 6000 ml. 7 liters will be 7000 mLs. So we are going from a larger to a smaller. So we times 7 times 1000 makes 7000. 6 times 1000 makes 6000. 5 times 1000 makes 5000. So when you're trying to get a smaller unit, you multiply. But you have to know that 1 liter is equal to 1000 ml. So using this strategy and concept that you have learned, please do your page 267 to 68. And if you have any questions, ask me at Zoom time. Bless you. Bye now.